Hey guys, welcome. Today we'll discuss construction up to commissioning. So check it out. This is a long presentations so that you will understand from step by step presentations with regards to construction up to commissioning handover. All right, and check it out, guys. Now you can see here responsibility metrics for pre-commissioning and commissioning. So what does that mean? Okay. So pre-commissioning to commissioning, so we have the documents that to be followed. So meaning all of these documents coming from the feasibility studies, engineering, up to implementation, these combinations that that's why we are adapting and we are using these documents up to handover and while we are continuing our works through the ITRs, either checklists, this documents. This is part of our presentations and part of the main requirements, main documents. All right. So, what is pre-commissioning activity? So we will uh, do one by one, step by step process in order that we can understand. Okay. So pre-commissioning an individual system. So this is the requirements, the prerequisite of our activity, right? So what is the pre-commissioning individual system? So in our project, let's say oil and gas and petrochemical projects, that involves all discipline. So meaning not only E&I, our job it's E&I. I'm the E&I construction. So not only that, so we involve this as a whole team, whole discipline that's related of our combination of our project. So precom, which is piping, mechanical, tanks, pumps, compressor, HVAC, B-cells, building structure, coolers and exchangers, lifting equipment, firefighting, life-saving equipment. All right. So this is the whole system. And then another one, we have electrical, instrument, telecom, paga system, etc. So this is our discipline. So this is my discipline, by the way, right? So I'm involving only this portion during the pre-commissioning, during the inspection, during the walk down, during the testing, only this. And some of the portions that's related piping mechanical and either uh, pumps or compressor or HVAC, which is related instrumentation and electrical that's involved here. That's a time you involve as well. So me, not you. All right. Say okay. So pre-commissioning activities. So pre-commissioning activities. What is the pre-commissioning activities? You need to witness. So this is coming from our inspector, so our team from the quality QAQC department, QAQC department, which is they complete their job. They complete their job, inspection, installation of the equipment, they check the cable. Okay. After that, So the quality team involved that they are submitting for our verification for the witnessing. Okay, witness and sign up of individual pre-commissioning check sheets. So who is responsible for verification and checking and witnessing? QC from the contractor submit their RFI in order that company QC inspect that is good or bad, any comments, and then as per part of the project requirements, standard, etc. Okay, and now we also do the signing of the documents. Okay, so pre-com checklist for pipeline, pig traps, proofs, sampling, system, mechanical completion, injections, that's combinations. Okay, sign up of individual discipline, pre-com, dosers, associated discipline, acceptance certificates. Okay, another one. So raise necessary punch list items, register project completion, system, clear punch list item as necessary. So I mentioned all of this, okay? And then we have also signing the RC certificate by signing of handover to the commissioning. So another one, system, subsystem, dosers includes pre-commissioning and commissioning documents. Step by step, quality, inspector, check and verified the system, the equipment, the cable, glanded, termination, IR testing, etc. It's done. Okay? Now, the construction team responsible for verification to have uh, walk down, RFC walk down, or mechanical completion to do the verification if this already comply all of the requirements based on the company requirements or international standard requirements if not there, right? So now we are signing the ITR. We are from the construction team. We are signing the ITRs. So ITRs should be signed, and all the punch list categorization A and B or C. So basically we have category A and B. So A must be closed, must be closed. A must be closed prior to given to the commissioning team. So before you give this to the commissioning team, this is the dosers complying that all category A must be closed. Okay, so the construction contractor preparing the dosers, attach all the test requirements, test report, FAT, uh, testing, dosers, ITRs, all of the certificates, part of your dosers, mechanical completion dosers. And then that is your pre-commissioning activity. Okay? So simple, very easy, and easy to understand. Okay? If you are quality, your focus is only ITR, checklist during RFI, check all the checklists installed, blah blah blah, one by one, all punch list, write it down. So from our side, we are the construction team. We verify during RFC walkdown or any walkdown if any punch list that we captured we found out, that's to be added. Okay, so now commissioning activity. So commissioning activity we will put in one place. Okay, all non-hydrocarbon systems shall be functional and performance tested and level ready for operations. Okay, the commissioning team shall perform activity without the presence of the operator representative. What do you mean that? So during commissioning, guys, some of the companies, some of the, this is my experience. Commissioning, which is focus how to commission the system, the equipment, because we have system, subsystem, meaning integrated all the discipline, mechanical, piping, E&I, telecommunications, HVAC, etc. Okay. Now, clearance. Clearance of all categories, which is I mentioned earlier, that is A, B, patch items raised from pre-commissioning, which is construction team. Pre-commissioning, construction team, and during commissioning. So, forward to the commissioning team, commissioning department. Okay? Witness and sign off individual commissioning check sheets. And the next activity, functional and performance testing of all electrical system. And the other one, functions, logic, performance testing and control system for ESD, DCS, fire and gas, any package, interfacing, and telecommunication system. So this is the activities of our team from the commissioning department. So guys, as you can remember, construction to commissioning. Alright, so this is the process. How we process, how the sequence of work towards to commissioning up to handover. So we will hand over to our client, the owner of the project. Okay. So this is our commissioning activity. Next, pre-commission activity again. Functional performance safety system, lifeboats, fire system. Approve RFCU dosers, hydrocarbon. Approve certificates for ready for loadout. Approve certificates for handover. So approve certificate for startup. So this is a reminder for the pre-commission activities, function, performance, safety lifeboats, approve RFCU dosers, hydrocarbon, approve certificate, load out, approve certificate. So this is part of the commissioning activities and preparations to the next level. Okay, so in the next level, we are talking about from also that from commissioning, from construction to commissioning, RFC dosers. So what is inside? What is this R dosers? So we will discuss that guys in my next video presentation. See you and have a good day. Bye bye.